Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you a modern quick links web part which I built for one of my clients. So it is not the replacement of existing quick links. It's enhanced experience, uh, uh, focusing on some of the limitations on the existing quick links. So a small introduction about me. So I'm on Microsoft MVP since 2020. And I'm specialized in SharePoint and Power Platform. I am working as a solution architect at Entity Data based in Singapore. I am a blogger, gamer, and a father of two kids. So these are all my social links where you can connect me in. And this is my blog site. So why this modern quick links? So we already have existing quick links. So why we need to go for this enhanced experience? So if you see the existing quick links, they have their own limitations, like the managing the links, uh, building a conditional links, permissions, and even if you want to edit the links, right, you have to edit the page and edit the links one by one. So sometimes there could be a separate group of content editors where the permissions are allocated only to those people who can edit the page. The end user cannot edit it. But what if they want their own links, own favorites to be maintained so that they can access the global links as well as their own favorite links in one location? So these are all some of the features and some of the limitations on the existing quick links. So some of the features on the modern quick links is it supports flexible canvas. So based on the canvas size, it's realigned its structure. It's also support full bleed support. So since I have displayed the quick links from the SharePoint list, so I have also provided a form for easy link maintenance instead of navigating to the list. And as I already mentioned, organization can add a common links which could be available for all the users in the organization, and each individual users can also add their own links and have plenty of web part properties to configure, which I'll be showing it in the demo. And catch. So I have implemented catch. For example, in the global links, the organization links, it could be rare, they could change the links. So in that case, each and every time when the page loads, it is not necessary to load everything from the SharePoint list. So maybe we can catch it for a few minutes and then we can show it from the catch. So that is one of the feature. And the next is search, filter, and sorting based on the web part properties and reusability. So in case if you want to use the existing quick links, right, you cannot copy or you have to create the new things. But here, once you added in the list, right, you can reuse the same list, filter it. For example, you have 10 to 20 links, but you have to show only a part of the links in one page and a specific part of the links in other page. So there are some filters which are available in the web part properties. So it will be easy to maintain one list, but you can differentiate the links in different pages. So these are all the features that are available. So NPM module, some technical stuff. So fully for the SharePoint transactions, I have used PnPjs, Fluent UI, Lodash, Moment.js, and for pagination, React.js. And for navigation, I am using SPFx navigation. So let us move on to the demo. So before going into the demo, I have just published this modern quick links in the app source with kind of a license. Maybe you guys can go and look at it. And I have also created a blog with the full-fledged features. So I have explained each and every individual features with the screenshots. And also I'm planning to release a video on this quick links. So now let us jump on the demo. So this is where I have deployed my quick links, where you can see it supports full bleed. So currently I haven't used the full bleed. But if you see, it also supports the theme colors and theme variants, the section backend, the section background support. And I have provided different layouts like tiles, buttons, compact, and the card layout. You can see it here. And if you see here, so these are all some of the links which I said it's an organizational links where you can see the edit button and the delete button. But here, these are all the user maintained links. So when I logged into this site, I can see my own links up in addition to the organizational link. So it's a one location where you can see all the links. And these are all different designs. So now let us move on to the properties where I have designed. So first is title, and you can choose layout option. So I have given 4 different options. For the tiles, you can choose medium, large, and based on it, and based on the section width, it will automatically align whether it has to be displayed in a 2 or 3 columns or a single column. And free flow is something where there won't be any scrolls or paging added. So once you remove the free flow, you can set the height. So once you set the height, if the links are more, then there will be a scroll bars. So this is a free flow. And the color settings is something which, so for the use individual tile colors means in case if you want to highlight a particular link to the users, so you can select individual colors. So once you enable this individual colors, there will be an icon. So once you click on this icon, you can select the background color icon or the text color, overflow font color. So different options, so different coloring options. So this feature is available only for the organizational links. And in case if you want to use the theme colors, if the custom colors are not set, it will automatically pick the theme colors. And so for example, if I don't want to use the theme colors, then automatically whatever the colors you have configured, it will automatically choose the configured colors. So I'll go on with the theme colors. And next is search. So you can show the search bar below the title, or if you want to shift the search bar, if you want to place the search bar at the top, you can just show it here. So automatically the search bar will shift to the top. And so if you want to search, display the search bar here, there will be an add icon if the user management links are enabled. And you can move the search left, center, or to the right position. And you can also set the width. This enable keyword search is something where if you enable the keyword enterprise metadata settings for the list, then automatically, if you enable this and provide the field name, automatically the search will work with the field. So currently the search will work with the title, description, and the link. And once you enable this keyword, then it will also work with the keyword search. Next is, this is where you can select the list. So when you add the web part for the first time, it will give you a provision to create the list. So later on, if you want to create another list, you can use the settings and then you can create the list. So once you can create the list, you have to map the list. This is a global launchpad where it is an organizational level links where you can choose here. And if you want to enable the users, then you can choose here. So 2 lists are separate. So like I mentioned, you can have one list and then you can categorize it. So you can use the filters. So for example, if I want to filter using keywords contain only the specific value. So once you save it and then apply, only the link with the filters alone will be displayed. So if you don't want the filters, just remove it. And fast loading is nothing but caching. So once you enable fast loading and then refresh the page, automatically the links will be added to the cache. And then for a few minutes, it will be loaded from the cache, avoiding the frequent transaction to SharePoint. And you can decide sorting by the fields. These are all the fields that are available for sorting. And this information icon is something that if you want to show some description for this icon, right? So for example, here, if you click on it, you can show a detailed text of this link in an information. Okay. And enable manage links is something where so here once the users links are enabled, right? So you can select how many links they can add. So based on that, the users are allowed to add their own links. So when they click on this add new link, so they can give a title, URL, description, and sequence. And if they want to open in a new window, you can choose this, and whether to choose an icon or image. So if it is icon, so you can choose any icon from the list provided here, or if it is an image, you can select the image where whether from a stock image, OneDrive or site, or you can even upload your own file, or you can even display from a link. So these are all the things you can add it. And when you edit it, it will not refresh the page. It will automatically update. So for example, if I save this and then if I save it, it will automatically update. The icon is updated. And so this is the enable manage links is displaying the icon here, which will allow you to manage all the user links in one place. So you can even delete it, you can edit it from here. Instead of clicking edit on each individual links, you can search for your links and then you can edit it. You can make it as I'm planning to implement active or inactive so that only the active links can be displayed here. So these are all the properties available for this modern quick links. So I hope you guys like this. So that's it from my side. Back to you, Gary.